Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is Veg Choila. So I'm gonna make this Veg Choila out of this Masyura or Nutrela. So let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare a Veg Choila, here I have 1 cup of soya chunk Nutrela or Masyura, Masyura, and I have some chopped cilantro, chopped spring onion and chopped red onion. And I have 2 cloves of garlic, a small size ginger and soaked dry chili, and half tablespoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of Timur or Sichuan pepper, and 1 small size boiled tomato. And I have half teaspoon of turmeric powder and red chili powder, and salt as per the taste. And I have 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and I also have chopped green chilies. And I have this warm water. So my first step is I'm gonna soak this Masyura or soya chunk in a warm water. And I'm gonna keep this for 2 minutes. So meantime, I'm gonna make a paste. So I'll add Timur, cross the Timur. Oh, then add this dry chili. I'm gonna cross this ginger and garlic. Paste is ready now. So this Masyura is fully soaked. It's nice and soft. I'm gonna wash this with cold water. I have heated the pan. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. And now I'm gonna add this Masyura on this pan. And I'll cook this till it turns into a golden brown color. Nutrela is ready. So I'm gonna transfer this in a mixing bowl. Now I'll add this paste which I have made earlier. Then add this chopped onion, red onion, spring onion, and cilantro, green chili, lemon juice. So again in this pan add a little bit of oil and add this methi seeds. Then add turmeric powder here. So I'm going to pour this oil in this mixing bowl. I'll add salt and red chili powder. If you don't like too spicy, then you can always avoid the chili powder and maybe you can add less green chilies. So now I'm gonna mix it. So now our Veg Choila is ready to be served and looks really yummy. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.